Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Affinity, that is Affinity version 3 on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Affinity download. So that's going to show you this Affinity Studio, so just simply go to their official site. So this link I'm going to provide right in your channel description. Once when you are here you will see this desktop Windows is available. If you are using Mac, then you can always proceed with this download for macOS. For Windows, I'm going to just simply click on this drop down and that's going to give me list of all these 4 options. So I'm going to download it for my Windows PC or my laptop. So that's why I'm going to proceed with this Windows Intel or AMD CPU. If you want to use it in some touch screen, so that is Windows only. So that touch screen with ARM processor, so then need to proceed with this, and these are all Enterprise Edition. So I'm going to proceed with this Windows Intel and it's going to immediately start downloading our Affinity x64. I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser, I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see Affinity is already been downloaded over here. So just simply double click on that installer. You can minimize your download directory and here just simply click on install. And our Affinity is rightly installed, also rightly started launching, and there you go. So Affinity is rightly open. It is telling to sign in. So you need to have one account in Canva, that's absolutely necessary. So I'll show you how to create account and all that. So click on this login or sign up. That's going to open a tab on browser for canva.com. So you need to create a brand new account if you don't have an account already. So you can always log in using Google, or you can also log in using your email ID. So I'll proceed my email ID. I'll click on continue. That's going to send one code to my email ID. I'll just simply type that code and it's going to automatically log me into Canva. So it's slightly logged in, open Affinity, and you can see it is checking my licenses and all. It is completely free, you don't need to worry. And our Affinity is rightly launched. So here is a sample video, you can play this. So it's really very good product. You can watch this video. For now I'm going to skip this and going to show you how to use this. Yeah, it is telling whether you like to share some of the data anonymously. You can totally share. That going to only help this product to make it much better. So click on continue. You can always watch some tutorials to know more stuff. But right now I'm going to show you a few more things. So let's first click on start creating, and that's going to open this Affinity layout. So again you can see welcome to Affinity notes over here. You can open anything. So basically clicking this, it's going to start downloading and going to open that onto our Affinity. So you can see you can create PDF like this as well. You can edit the stuff, you can add your own image and all that. Let's say you already have an image. That's one thing that I wanted to show you. So I'll open one demo pic. Let's say I open all the 3 pics. Amazing thing that I have seen over here. So this is just a portrait photo. So here you have effects and all that. So you can always try all that out. But the thing that I wanted to show you is these filters. So here if you go to filters and when you scroll down, you will get glitch over here. So let's open glitch and let's change this method to maybe shred colors. Or let's start with slice, and when you do this horizontal slice, you can see it's really creating a very beautiful effect, isn't it? So you can do both vertical and horizontal. So that is slice color, and when you do shred, and you can see it is creating a very beautiful effect, isn't it? So you can try with something else. Something in fuzz or a blast. So the thing is, whatever you can see is happening live. So it's not like you need to export a file to get this output. So you can try all this out. I'm sure you're going to love them for sure. Beautiful horizontal slice effect, right? And you can see that live glitch. So that's the best part. So now let me know if you need a more detailed tutorial on Affinity. I started using it since last month and really loving it. So do mention on our comment sections. I'm going to happily make more videos on that. So that's basically all about this video. If you're interested on Python or WordPress, you can always watch all these videos for completely free on our channel, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So you can always check all that out. I'm sure you're going to definitely love them. And also please do mention on our comment sections. I really love reading all of your comments. That's going to really motivate me to make more the similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.